Uh-oh.
Something's wrong.
Your wheels.
It's wheel slipping. Is that what you're trained on?
Let me see. Let me take a look.
It's wheel slipping.
Wheels slipping. I'm hearing the wheels. Look at it.
Yeah, I think it's.
Is it slipping? Is it slipping because of the cars?
No, I think one of them's stuck.
Oh no. Your train's.
Alright. Come on, buddy. Come on, dig.
Push him. Push.
Right, more oomph, please.
Give him a push. Oh my goodness.
Nope, we're gonna drag him out. Hold on. Can you switch directions and push back down the hill, please?
Me?
No.
I'm.
You're gonna need to take the engine off, we'll let the engine run by itself, and then we'll put the cars back up later.
Yeah, is it?
Or actually, we'll take the car off.
Because I remember when I was at the Colfax train show, and the steam train's wheels were slipping, and it had a lot of cars on it.
Alright, so what I want you to do is back down the hill a bit.
Just had to pull the sand
we'll
in.
take a car off, and you should be able to make the hill.
Is anybody gonna back up onto the behind station truck?
You're clear.
I'm waiting.
You can just do what you please.
Oh.
So
is Max's train on the red line?
Yeah.
It did derail.
Right, so back down.
Well,
As far as you
there's.
can go.
What about the
So
Santa Fe
close to him
Sprinter
is-
that has like
You
10
feel
cars?
it, and then we'll
Isn't that
switch
blocking my
directions
way?
and go up the hill with speed, alright?
There's a train.
Make sure all your wheels are on.
This is not PSR. This is.
This is
This is-
Precision
yeah.
Scheduled Railroad.
No, this is
Don't
CSR.
question it.
I know.
Alright, switch directions.
Southern Norfolk Southern.
Are we ready to go, Papa?
Yeah.
Maybe we should fix it. Let's go to the side of it.
Oh, your coaches.
Well, stop coaches.
I think I can. Sorry about that. But you're trying to get away from me. Jack? 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 Oh. Derailed. I'm slowing down, nice and smooth here. Easy, easy, easy. Yeah, I see him. I see him. You wonder when it takes really Steve James behind. It's like the round the Pennsylvania Senior Game. Buddy, it's like the round your buddy. You'll get used to it. Hey, Jack. Jack. Your train. It derailed, and look at its wheels.
Why?
Its wheels are thing. And I had to stop mine. Yeah, I'm like gonna stack up over there on the switch.
What the? What the hell? What the hell? How is this happening?
His train derailed on this switch, Cameron. And I had to stop mine.
Let's call it a keep alive.
I stopped
That's
mine.
hilarious.
Aaron, I was a good thing I was paying attention. I was paying attention.
Yeah, shame on you, Jack. You need to
How dare you? How dare you?
Yeah, see, that's why I use all my own equipment.
Uh-oh.
So that way that I know that it works.
Uh-oh.
Instead of...
Hey, Daddy, you lost your train. And we are having a short.
That'll give me a chance to get on down the track.
Get on down the track.
And we and we have a short.
Where did you lose them?
Right there.
Father, we have a short.
You do?
Yeah, and my train just stopped. Here?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I think it was this car. This car seems to be dropping.
Oh, I see. You use the reverse loop.
Yeah.
Very good.
Hey, Chad, what happened there?
Somebody didn't set the.
You see, that looks cool.
Might want to stop.
Jack looking.
No. Bad looking at it. Bad.
What track are you on?
I'm on the blue line.
Whatever.
I'm on the blue line.
Where am I? Did I come through here?
I have no idea.
Well, I think lately,
Miles.
well, I'm a little bit more, I guess.
So there's the two aspect there, make a three aspect of that.
Yeah, but I like the searchlights because that's what they should be for the modeling.
Yeah, but you can't see it.
Oh, I thought the searchlights you could.
No, you can't see it.
It's the three light ones.
You only have a limited angle.
Okay,
Well, there's places we can use them, but there's places we can't
I
use
guess
them.
I misunderstood what Keith just said because I thought he said it was the three light ones you couldn't see.
What? Looks like a boat or something.
So I misunderstood what you said. So the first thing was that one light.
Because of the way the hoods are made.
Oh, okay.
That's why my boat.
Sorry.
So it's specific. You could theoretically. You
Hey,
could
who's
just
who's
below
causing
the
the short?
And drill a hole in the side of the hood so the light comes out to the side.
Yeah.
But I don't know who
It may also be the design of the hood too.
No. This thing can't stop easily.
This thing cannot stop easily. Go.
You're funny.
No, I can't.
It's gonna hit the paper.
Oh, had enough clearance. I'm coming. Maddie, you're derailed. What's going on? Oh, probably coupling. Oh dear. A coupling problem? Oh, fail.
Yeah, 21 was a bad really couple. He has no friends since he was a little boy.
Yep,
Oh.
same.
So
Same.
it's the same.
Oh, you had a derailment match.
Same thing.
Yeah, we did
Ah.
attention with
Oh,
about 6 months, and
Yeah.
we went
So
from
you put 87 of those.
You switched to
And
2
that's
sales.
how big
and
the
so
real one
he
is.
knows he's done it all over the place, but they've done so much with this place. It's amazing.
That's
and,
good.
and I'm so grateful for people in the
It's-
high school.
Oh, it's almost a
because
track
my son
drift.
is somewhere to go.
Oh, wow.
You know what I mean?
You're going well.
Huh?
Not too bad.
Yeah.
We got my train behind. My train's behind you. Whoa, you derailed. Oh no. Max, your train had derailed. Oh no.
Oh my gosh! Quit it! Quit it! Oh my God! Stop derailing!
Oh, derailment. And its wheels are slipping.
I have an idea.
Wait, never mind. Have a seat, Skip, if you need to sit.
A treat to talk to you guys. Thank you so much. And I'm Anna, by the way, and you're Wayne?
Yeah.
Okay.